3D Wood CNC Router. Water cooling spindle 3D Wood CNC Router multi-head drilling engraving cutting machine. Item specifics: CNC or not CNC. Condition: new model. Number: AKM 1325 4 Number: AKM 1325 4R. Power W 3.0 kW/4.5 kW/7.5/9 kW. Spindle with 4 water cooling spindle 3.0 kW. Cylinder turning system: 4 rotary clamp turning fixed on machine directly. Work table can move when to work. X/Y axis helical gear rack transmission. Z axis precise Taiwan TBI ball screw. Driving system: stepper motor and driver. Control system: DSP controller /NC Studio. Lathe structure: welded steel body. Applications: 1. Advertising industry: cutting/engraving/drilling/photo engraving, cutting, drilling on wood, MDF, bamboo, plastic, PVC, acrylic, 2 colors board, metals, stone etc. 2. Furniture, wood door cutting, wood door artwork engraving, wave boards making, 3D photo engraving, small and large relief works, cylinder materials engraving, 3D photo engraving etc. 3. Musical instrument industry: instrument 3D surface engraving and shape cutting. 4. Artwork industry: photo frame making, jewelry box producing, figure engraving, character engraving and cutting, name brand making, small gift cutting, souvenirs making, carving various decoration letters, figures on small windows, fences, wall, etc. 5. Model making: to cut materials into different shapes for models making. 6. Stamps making industry: carving on many different materials like rubber, acrylic, cattle horn, plastic, wood and ink storage materials and so on. Advantages: 1. The Z-axis use precision ball screw, low friction, high efficient and precision. 2. Guide rail: adopt Taiwan Highwind square linear guide, high speed, long operating life. 3. Lathe bed is welded with all steel and age after finishing, more stable, durable and expensive. 4. Machine casing, factory customization, electrostatic plastic absorbing and no peeling paint. 5. Portal frame, use aviation industry aluminum, long service time, resistant to wear and low noise. 6. Principal access, water cooling principal access, cooling the machine timely and effectively. 7. Has the function of recarving after breakpoint and power failure. 8. Has the function of forecasting process time. 9. Adopting advanced DSP system with USB interface, operated with the handle, convenient operation. Our engraver can completely work offline and do not take any computer resources. 10. Perfect oil inject system makes maintenance much easier. 11. Has duct collect function. It will clean up the carving residuum and make the operations tidier and more convenient. 12. Advanced design of the machine makes sure strong cutting and guarantee the engraving precision. 13. Well compatibility, CAD/DAM designing software for example Type 3/Sharpcom/Castmate/Blentai etc. Specifications for AKM 1325 4R. Model number: AKM 1325 4R. Compatible software: Type 3/Sharpcom. Power W 3.0 kW/4.5 kW/7.5/9 kW. Certification: ISO CE. Spindle with 4 water cooling spindle 3.0 kW. Warranty: 18 months. Cylinder turning system: 4 rotary clamp turning fixed on machine directly. Lathe structure: welded steel body. Work table: can move when to work. Weight: 1200 kg. X/Y axis. Helical gear rack transmission. Working area: 1300 x 2500 200 mm. Z-axis. Precise Taiwan TBI ball screw. Model number AKM 1325 4R. Driving system. Step promoter and driver. Voltage 220 volts/380 volts. Control system DSP controller /NC Studio. Condition new. The product main features: 1. Simple structure and linear type, easy in installation and maintain. 2. Adopting advanced world-famous brand components in pneumatic parts, electric parts and operation parts. 3. High-pressure double crank to control the die opening and closing. 4. Running in a high automatization and intellectualization, no pollution. 5. Apply linker to connect with the air conveyor, which can directly in line with filling machine.